Once upon a time in the heart of Antarctica, there was a penguin who hated winter. All the other penguins loved to slide and play in the snow, but not this one. This penguin loved summer. He would dream of warm days and swimming in the ocean all day long. One day, the penguin was waddling along when he saw a crab. The crab had bright red claws and a big smile on its face. "Hello," said the penguin. "Why are you smiling?" The crab stopped and looked at the penguin. "I'm happy because today is my birthday," said the crab. "I get to have a big party with all my friends, and we get to play all day long." The penguin thought for a moment. "I wish I could have a party like that," he said. But then he sighed. "It's just not possible. It's winter and all the other penguins love to do is to slide in the snow and play with the ice." The crab tilted its head. "But it's not winter for us crabs," it said. "We live in the ocean, and it's always summer there." The penguin looked at the crab in surprise. "Really? How can it be summer under the ice?" The crab smiled and said, "If you want to see what it's like, you should come with me." So the crab and the penguin went down to the ocean. When the penguin saw the other animals under the ice, he couldn't believe his eyes. There were colorful fish everywhere, and the water was so clear he could see right through it. The crab took the penguin to a coral reef, where all the animals were having a big party. There were seahorses, and starfish, and even a friendly octopus. They were all dancing and singing and having so much fun. The penguin felt left out. He wanted to join the party, but he didn't know how. He tried to dance, but he just ended up slipping on the coral. He tried to sing, but he sounded like a squeaky wheel. All the animals stared at him, and the penguin felt very embarrassed. He wanted to go home. Just then, a wise old turtle swam over to the penguin. "Why are you so sad?" she asked. The penguin told her about his snowy home and how much he loved the summer. The turtle listened patiently, and then she said, "You know, there are many different seasons in the world, but they happen at different times for different animals. For you penguins, winter may be the best time of year, but for us in the ocean, summer is our favorite season. We all love the warmth and the light and the long days." The penguin thought about this for a moment. "So you're saying," he asked, "that it's okay to love different things?" The turtle smiled and said, "Of course. That's what makes us all unique." The penguin felt a little better. He realized that it was okay to love summer. He didn't have to pretend to like winter, just because all the other penguins did. From that day on, the penguin and the turtle became friends. And every summer they would have a big party in the ocean. All the penguins and crabs and starfish and seahorses would come to the party. They would dance and sing and celebrate the joy of being different. And that's the end of the story. Now go to the end screen and pick another adventure to watch. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more fun stories. And remember, it's okay to be different because that's what makes you special.